One of the most common use cases for MetaVis Architect is to simply visualize your information architecture. This is something that's relatively complicated to do within SharePoint, but fairly easy to do in a visual program like MetaVis Architect. Architect shows you relationships between content types, their inheritance structure, the columns that go into each content types, and then also additional information about the lists and libraries within the site, which content types go within each list or library. And if you'd like to visualize your column groups and also the columns that go inside them, you can do that as well. Besides simply visualizing your diagram, in many cases users wish to annotate or document their designs for future information or perhaps with collaboration with colleagues, and you can do that within MetaVis Architect. Let's take a look at this phone call memo content type. I can highlight it simply by clicking on it, and then this menu or ribbon up here becomes enabled with many features that can be applied directly to the content type. One of the most common things we do is we highlight things. So I can go ahead and apply highlighting to this content type, and you can see it'll stand out pretty clearly here for anybody who's looking at this design in the future. Another option is to provide notes or note attachments to any object. So let's take a look at that. So I'm going to add a little note and say this is for sales. And in the future, when somebody takes a look at the diagram, they can see that this content type was created for the sales department. Now, once we have everything annotated and documented, the next logical thing to do is to create an output. An output can be created by right-clicking on the diagram, selecting the file option, and saving the image file. Now there's several different options for image files, starting with GIF, JPEGs, PDF, and so forth. Once the image is generated for you, you can go ahead and email it, you can print it out, and just share it with anyone else who may need that information in the future. During this video, we took a quick look at the documentation and visualization features within MetaVis Architect. Please take a look at our other videos for additional information. Thank you.